Okay, so reviewing angles for the test tomorrow. All right, and number one, it asks you to find angle BRE, which is this angle right here. All right, who's got an answer for me and can explain how they found that? Bastian. Great, how did you get that? Yep. Yeah, good. That's an equilateral triangle. Great. And then what else? Mhm. Yes. You added 90 degrees and 60 degrees to get 150 degrees. Well done. Okay, awesome. And then for number two, it says ABCD is a square. Find angles C, D, and E. All right, who's got an answer for the first one? Ray, go ahead. Yeah, how did you get that? Great job. You divided 90 by 3 to get 30 degrees. Good. And since these are all marked C, you knew that all of those were equal to each other. How about letter B? What's angle D? What is that one? Maddie. Okay, awesome job. How did you get that? Mm-hmm. Yep. Yep, and then you subtracted from 180. So you did 180 minus 90 plus 30. Okay, great job. How about letter E? So I'm sorry, angle E, letter C. What is that one, Alex? Okay. Okay. Gabby?
Since angle C is 30 degrees.
Uh-huh.
Wait.
Oh, tricky.
90 plus 30 is 120 degrees.
Uh-huh.
And then 180 minus 120 is 60 degrees.
Okay.
And then 180 minus 60 degrees is 120.
Okay, so you found, hang on just a second. So you found this right here first. Is that the one you were saying was 120 before you found letter E? Or no, you found this triangle over here. No? But you got 120 degrees for angle E? Okay, because this is not a triangle. But you did come up with the right answer. But were you figuring on that being a triangle? Okay, I think I just didn't like, I think I just didn't follow you. But we could go ahead and add 30 degrees and 90 degrees over here in this triangle. And then we'd get 120, which would mean that this would be 60 degrees right here, right? And then we can use 180 minus 60 degrees because those are on a straight line to equal 120 degrees. Okay, Alex. Uh-huh. So it would be 120 right here. That would be 120, yes. But I'm not sure if I'm following you as to like why then that would carry over to this side. But that's okay. So you could use, is this a quadrilateral? It is, right, guys? Okay. So who remembers how many degrees the angles in a quadrilateral add up to? Charlie? 360. Yeah. So 120 plus 90 plus 30, and this angle right here would all have to add up to 360. We could do that way. Okay, how about in number 3, angle MAT? What'd you get, Annie? It's not 30. We've got, I think you made a math fact error. I think you were on the right track though. Tell me what your process was. Okay, so this is the vertex angle, right? These are the two angles that are equal to each other down there. And I don't have the letters in here. This is M, A, and this is T on here. All right, so 180 minus 100 will give you these two angles added together. Okay, so what's my answer there, Kendall? 40 degrees, good. So we needed to subtract 100 from 180 and divide by 2 for that one. That was an isosceles triangle. How about MTH? Then if this is 40 degrees, and each of those are going to be 40 degrees because that's isosceles, what is angle MT? Where's the H? H going to be Austin? Yeah, 140 degrees. Good job. Okay. Go on to the next one. Am I going too fast for anybody? Or are you guys okay? Doing all right? Okay, so this next one, where are we? Got this confusing figure over here. APQ. Oh yeah, it's this guy right here. Okay. All right, who's got an answer for number 4? Angle APQ. Elijah? It is 30 degrees. Nice job. How did you get there? Very good. Yep, vertical angles. Yep. Good. So we're going to subtract 90 plus 60 from 180, and we would get 30 degrees there. Good job. All right. Nora, you want to do the next one? Number 5? Number 5. Let's see, we're looking for angle XQY. It is not 36. Kinsey, do you know? It's not 18. But you're on the right track, I think, because the 18 occurs in the work somewhere. 27 is correct. Okay, can you tell us how you got there, please? So let me first mark down what we're finding XQY. So it's this guy right here.
So, X, Q.
Uh-huh.
90 degrees.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hang on just a second. Okay, yeah, it did tell us that this is a rectangle. Okay, so XPQ is 90, and then you add those, the 72 and the 90. Is that what you're talking about? Okay, and then what? Okay. Okay, and that's the degree measure of this guy right here then, right? Okay,
Q or Y is 90.
yep.
And you can put your
Mhm. Okay,
Y, Q, R is 45 degrees.
okay,
And Q, X is 18 degrees.
okay. Ninety minus 63 degrees. Yes, nice job. Okay, so 90 minus 63 degrees. Okay, so here's what we did, guys. So we added, so Caleb added the 18 degrees and the 45 degrees. And since all 3 of these angles are complementary angles, we subtracted from 90. And that's where we got 27 from. So good job, Caleb. That was a long proof. All right, how about number 6, angle ABD? What do we have there? Calla, you gonna go for it? Okay, great job. Can you explain how you got it, please? I don't have this marked on mine, okay? BDC is 55 degrees, good, because that's an isosceles triangle, okay? DBC, okay, so you've got 70 degrees right up here. Okay, good, so you added 55 and 55. You got 110 and you subtracted from 180. Okay. Okay, so let's see, 120, whoops. 125 minus 70, and you got, okay, and you subtracted 90 from 55. Okay, hang on just a second. Did I mark the right angle for us to find? Oh, this is what we're finding down here. Okay, so you subtracted 70 from 125 to get 55, to get this guy right here. Is that what you were doing? Okay, okay, and then you added 55 and 90 and subtracted from 180? Okay, great. So let's see, 180 minus 55 plus 90, and you got 35 degrees. Oops, my equal sign ended up being kind of wonky there. Okay, nice job. Now on this one, another thing we could have done, you guys, is the Z rule. Because in a trapezoid, two lines are always parallel, but not the other two. So once we found this 55 degrees, we could have used the Z rule also to identify that that angle up there, that smaller angle, was 55 degrees. Bastian.
So,
Yes.
fine. Um,
Right here? Yep.
I just take them off 55.
Mhm.
On the bottom, right?
Yep, you totally can. And that's what, yeah, and that's what she did. So, so because this one over here is 55 degrees and it's an isosceles triangle, this other angle needs to be 55 degrees. And then so we found that the vertex angle was 70 and then we subtracted from 125. You also could have used Z rule on this one because that straight line intersects two parallel lines. So either way works. Okay, so let's turn to page 85. Okay, hey. No, we're not planning on using the blue sheet for the test tomorrow. All right. Did anybody get this far, you guys? Oh, awesome. Okay. Finn, how about number 1A? Can you give us an equation? Yeah, textbook page 85. Yep, good. That's all it wanted. 90 minus 55. We should not use the angle sign actually on that one because it's asking for the equation for X. All right, and then what is the angle X? What is it solved? Nora?
I did it.
Okay. What'd you get, Kala? Good, 35 degrees is correct. All right, letter or 2A, express angle BIG in terms of Y. Okay, how do we express angle BIG in terms of Y? Go ahead, Alex. Nice job. And then we would want to put that degrees there on both of those. And then what is the angle BIG? Alex? Let's see here. Where's the picture? Oh, Y. Oh, it says here's it's not 135. It says that angle GIN equals Y, and the ratio of angle BIG to GY to angle GIN is 3 to 1. So this is Y. That means that this is 3Y right there. And wait, are we finding the 3Y or the Y? Oh yeah, for that one we were finding the 3Y. I'm sorry. So you're right. Yeah. Yeah, good job. So let's just draw it out really quick. So we have 4 units equal to 180 degrees. This is angle BIG, and this is angle Y. And that means that each unit is going to equal 45 degrees. 3 units will equal 135 degrees. Good job, Alex. Okay, how about number 3? Oh, it's time to go. All right. Oh, so hold on. Your homework for tonight is workbook review 6. It's pages 85 to 89. It's only numbers 1 through 12. So it's a longer review than that, but, we used to not test over this unit, so we did the next unit as well, and we didn't find that to be good practice. Why it's at the end of the next unit for this review.
You're doing business.